Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most popular ways to make money online, Google AdSense. If you have a website or a blog with a decent amount of traffic, you can monetize it with Google AdSense and earn money. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about Google AdSense, how it works, how to get started, and some tips to maximize your earnings. So, let's get started. What is Google AdSense? Google AdSense is a program run by Google that allows website owners to display ads on their website and earn money when visitors click on those ads. Google AdSense is a free program, and anyone with a website or a blog can sign up for it. Google AdSense provides website owners with a code that they can insert into their website, which displays relevant ads based on the content of the website. How does Google AdSense work? When a visitor comes to your website, Google AdSense automatically detects the content of the page and displays ads that are relevant to the content. If the visitor clicks on an ad, you earn money. The amount of money you earn depends on various factors such as the cost per click, CPC, of the ad, the number of clicks, and the traffic on your website. How to get started with Google AdSense? To get started with Google AdSense, you need to follow these steps. Step 1. Sign up for Google AdSense. Go to the Google AdSense website and sign up for a new account. You'll need to provide some basic information about yourself, your website, and the type of content you create. Step 2. Add AdSense code to your website. After you sign up, Google AdSense will provide you with a code that you need to add to your website. This code will display ads on your website, and when someone clicks on them, you'll earn money. Adding AdSense code to your website is a necessary step to start displaying ads on your website and earning money through Google AdSense. After signing up for Google AdSense, you will be provided with a unique code that you need to insert into the HTML code of your website. This code is what allows Google AdSense to display relevant ads on your website. The ads will appear in spaces that you have designated for advertising, such as the header, footer, or sidebar of your website. Step 3. Customize the ads. You can customize the appearance of the ads that appear on your website. You can choose the size, color, and type of ads that you want to display. Step 4. Wait for approval. Google AdSense will review your website and decide whether to approve it for displaying ads. This process usually takes a few days. Step 5. Start earning money. Once your website is approved, you can start earning money from the ads that are displayed on your website. Tips to maximize your earnings with Google AdSense. Now that you know how Google AdSense works and how to get started with it, let's talk about some tips to maximize your earnings. Tip 1. Create high-quality content. The content on your website is what attracts visitors, and the more visitors you have, the more money you can earn from Google AdSense. So, it's important to create high-quality content that is informative, engaging, and relevant to your target audience. Tip 2. Use relevant keywords. Using relevant keywords in your content can help you attract more visitors to your website. When you use keywords that are relevant to your content, Google AdSense can display ads that are more relevant to your visitors, which can lead to more clicks and more earnings. Tip 3. Optimize the placement of ads. The placement of ads on your website can have a significant impact on your earnings. You should experiment with different ad placements to find the ones that work best for your website. Generally, ads placed above the fold, i.e., the top part of the page that is visible without scrolling, tend to perform better. Tip 4. Optimize the ad formats. Google AdSense offers a variety of ad formats, including display ads, text ads, and link units. Experimenting with different ad formats can help you find the ones that work best for your website. For example, some websites may perform better with text ads, while others may perform better with display ads. Optimizing the ad formats on your website means choosing the most effective type of ads to display to your audience. Google AdSense offers different ad formats such as display ads, text ads, and link units. Experimenting with different ad formats can help you determine which ones work best for your website. For example, some websites may perform better with text ads because they blend well with the content, while others may perform better with display ads because they are more visually appealing. By finding the ad format that works best for your website, you can increase your click-through rates and maximize your earnings. Tip 5. Monitor your performance. It's important to monitor your performance regularly to see how your website is performing and what you can do to improve it. Google AdSense provides detailed reports on your earnings, ad performance, and other metrics that can help you optimize your website for better performance. Regularly monitoring your Google AdSense performance is important to understand how your ads are performing on your website. Google AdSense provides detailed reports on your earnings, ad performance, and other metrics which can help you make informed decisions about how to optimize your website for better performance. By reviewing these reports regularly and making adjustments based on the data, you can maximize your earnings and achieve better results from your website. Tip 6. Don't click on your own ads. Clicking on your own ads is strictly prohibited by Google AdSense, and it can lead to your account being banned. So, never click on your own ads, and make sure to inform your friends and family not to click on them either. Google AdSense is a great way to monetize your website or blog and earn money online. By following the steps we've discussed in this video, you can get started with Google AdSense and start earning money from your website. Remember to create high-quality content, use relevant keywords, optimize the placement and format of ads, monitor your performance, and never click on your own ads. With these tips, you can maximize your earnings and achieve success with Google AdSense. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.